'Tis the season for festive treats, and today we're making something colorful, crunchy, and totally merry. Christmas colored popcorn.
Perfect for holiday movie nights, gift bags, or just a cozy winter snack.
Let's get started.
First, divide your sugar into 2 bowls and add a few drops of green food coloring to one and red to the other. Stir them well until the colors are bright and incorporated. Now let's pop the popcorn. Start with a tablespoon of oil and 3 tablespoons of Dell Cove Spices mushroom kernels. After all, quality ingredients mean quality snacks. Once they pop, you know your oil is hot enough. Go ahead and add one of your colored sugars. We're starting with green. Be careful with this step, as the oil will be super hot. Once popped, spread your festive popcorn onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and sprinkle it with a pinch of sea salt while it's still warm. Once all your popcorn is cooled, mix the colors together for a perfectly festive Christmas blend. Serve your Christmas popcorn at home, package it up as a gift, or enjoy it straight from the tray.
No judgment here. It's crunchy, sweet, and totally holiday ready. Happy snacking!
For more recipes, gourmet popcorn seasonings, kernels, and more, head to delcospices.com.